How's it going, everyone? I hope you had a really nice morning trading. I want to take a minute of your time to walk you through a trade that we caught during my life. Don't worry, if you wasn't there, don't get FOMO. I'm inviting you to join me in the morning at 9:15 a.m. ET right here on YouTube. Anyways, let's get right with this trade. And stick around to the end. I want to talk about something. So we got the 15-minute range in, right? Very similar setup to yesterday, but let me talk about how I handled this trade. So I went into short entry, right? We had very aggressive selling. We made a new point of control like 3 times a day, which is pretty crazy. So we pushed down. This was the confirmation candle for the orb. This candle here was high volume. So technically we could have went short right here, but we didn't because we had point of control right here. We knew we didn't want to go short right above point of control. So we said pre-market low to this previous day high would be a better entry for shorts. We came up, pushed above this. As we was coming back down, I took my first entry here. I told everyone, I said, I'm leaving room to add. I want my average to be in the 60s if we push on up. If not, I don't want to miss out. We did push above, then pull back, close below. So we got in. I started my position here. We pushed up. I added to it, getting my average roughly in the 60s there. A lot of people got nervous here because our stop loss was a 5-minute close above this 29,900. One thing I want to point out, why I actually added to this position instead of, getting scared and not adding, just whatever happened. We had lowering volume, right? That's exactly what I want to see when I'm looking to go short. I don't want to see a huge increase in buying volume. I don't want to see aggressive buying. I want to see lowering volume. As you can see, we pushed up on low volume. It gave me my second add, making this a full-size trade for me, which I'm very happy about. As you can see, it just absolutely printed. We used the key levels on the chart to trim. This went over 100 points for a lot of people. Some people might still be holding. Unfortunately, I ran out of runners to leave in this trade. If you have any questions about this, just drop it in the comments. Now, what I was wanting to talk about, I would like to invite everyone, if you're not already a part of Grizzology. So Grizzology is the indicator you see on the chart here, right? Marks out all your key levels, charts supply and demand, helps you with the orb, helps you with, just like take some of the work out of your morning with the key levels already on your chart. I'll leave a link in the description. Use code NQ for half off your first month. Would love to have you there. And make sure to utilize the community chat. There's a user guide, all that good stuff. If you have any questions about that, drop it in the comments as well. Appreciate you all for taking the time to watch this, and I'll see you in the morning. Thanks.